Namaste, Shastriya Kal. Sayonara, sayonara. Was that necessary? No, that wasn't. Everybody starts with a bang. I start with a bad joke. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do subscribe it. Hit the bell icon, please, because we are coming up with lots and lots of not so interesting stuffs and lots of interesting stuffs as well. So today we are doing an unboxing video of Blackberry Keyone Bronze Edition. Yes, Blackberry. क्या है? Sometimes Blackberry Classic, sometimes Blackberry Torch, and now Blackberry Keyone. क्या है Blackberry? Because I am a fanboy of Blackberry. Now, before we start, before we begin with the unboxing process, you'll ask, you have this Blackberry Classic. This is a 10 months old, and why now I'm doing an unboxing video of Blackberry Keyone? Because this is the latest Android version of Blackberry. Android phone of Blackberry. I think Blackberry Key 2 Lay is the latest one, but still Keyone stands out for its own features. Now, without wasting any time, let's start with the unboxing process. Hi guys, so I made some silly mistakes, so I'm just remaking this unboxing video, though I started with the initial process of unboxing, so there was some technical error and restarting it. So if you see the seals are a bit open, that doesn't mean the seller has done it. It means I've already opened it. I'm redoing the scene again. Okay, so just to go with the process, you can see this is Blackberry Keyone Bronze Edition, and let's see the specifications. Network 4G and 4G enabled. Display is 4.5 inches, and this is the screen dimension 1620 into 1080. CPU is octa-core 64GB Snapdragon 621. Rear camera is 12 megapixel, 12 megapixel actual focus, large pixel, dual tone flash. There's a front camera of 8 megapixel. Memory is of 64GB and RAM is of 4GB. Battery is 3500 mAh. Very impressive specs for a Blackberry phone. And let's see what's inside the box and what's stored for us. As you know, Bronze Edition is for Middle East country, and the keypad may have Arabic version also. So now let's open this box. Wow, we have in front of us a beautiful Blackberry Bronze Edition. Now let's see how the phone looks. Wow, this looks so beautiful. Wow, I am awestruck. I am simply awestruck. Such a beautiful phone from Blackberry, and they never stop surprising you. Just look at this sleek 4.5 inches screen, and main thing is this keypad, a glossy keypad. Wow, this is the dual flash mentioned. Front camera, very impressive. Now by the time we switch on the phone, let's see what's in the box. Now see, I am so sorry, I had already opened the earphones. So earphones with different sizes of earbuds. There's a USB cable, there's a charger. The charger may not be compatible, or I'm sure they are not compatible to Indian sockets, because this is a Middle East model. So again, that's not a main issue. Phone has just started up, and let's see what's inside here. Here is the SIM card jack. This is in Arabic as expected. So this is nothing to worry, because this is as compatible in India as anywhere else in the world. And as you can see, the keypads have Arabic symbol, but I don't think that's an issue, because you have English letters. There's alternate also, and let's see how is the phone. Wow, amazing phone. I've already connected it to the Wi-Fi. Setup has been completed. There's a system upload, downloading system upload. I haven't inserted any SIM card, which I'll do it. And beautiful phone. The touch, oh, amazing. I think this I just bought it from Amazon for 25k, so just worth the money. We'll see the camera later on. So just have a look at this, guys. Beautiful phone. The back is leather finish, so it's not slippery, and this is the front of the phone. Beautiful. This is the earphone jack. This is the charger point. So that's it for the unboxing video, and I'll tell you uses of this phone and how is the phone performing maybe after 10 to 15 days of use. So let's hope this turns out to be the best phone I've owned of BlackBerry as of date. Thank you, guys.